G'day and welcome back to the Project 200 series. One of the most common issues following the installation of aftermarket suspension on a KDSS equipped Landcruiser is that the vehicle develops a lean to the right hand side. In other words, the right side sits slightly lower than the left. This lean is caused by an imbalance in the KDSS hydraulics, but fortunately, at least in the vast majority of cases, it's very simple to rectify yourself in 5 or 10 minutes with just a 5mm Allen key and a piece of wood. Let's have a look at the procedure. Before you begin, you can check the exact amount of lean by measuring the distance between the wheel rim and the guard on each side, and note this down for future reference. With the vehicle securely parked on a hard level surface, climb underneath and locate the KDSS valve box, attached to the inner side of the left-hand chassis rail, about half a metre in front of the rear axle. Loosen the two shutter valve screws a maximum of 3 turns each, using a 5mm Allen key. Then drive the left-hand rear wheel up onto a piece of wood approximately 75mm high. Put the vehicle into park, apply the handbrake and turn off the engine. Next, climb back under the vehicle and retighten the KDSS shutter valves. You can then drive the vehicle back down off the piece of wood and recheck the measurements on each side. If they're within 10mm, then that's considered acceptable. If not, you can repeat the procedure with a taller piece of wood. Unfortunately, there are some occasions when this simple fix doesn't solve the problem. In these situations, you may need to install a spacer or longer springs on the right-hand side of the vehicle. It's also possible that there's a leak or a fault in the KDSS hydraulic system, and in that case, you'd have to have it rectified by your Toyota dealer. I hope this video has been useful. For more guides to modifying and maintaining your Landcruiser 200, please visit project200.com.au. See you next time.